ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Welcome once more again to Youth Capacity Enhancement Foundation, YouCEF Boya. Youth Capacity Enhancement Foundation is a non-profit, non-governmental, and non-political organization who has an objective in training youth all over the national territory in vocational training. We do train youths on free vocational training in disciplines and placed under certain departments. Our trainings do fall under computer hardware and software engineering, and we do have audiovisual production, theater art, entrepreneurship, arts and culture, and a whole lot more. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember a few months back on the 15th, about the 7th to the 15th of December 2019. We had a video of this building when this organization just secured this building to see how we could set up our office, set up the training centers, and have a place where we can call our own. Today, we're talking on YouCEF, ladies and gentlemen. This is the compound we had few months ago that we took. As we can all see now, a lot has been done. The compound has been renovated to an extent, and it's now looking good, clean, in good shape. And I'm even much more delighted to say training sessions have started. First of all, I'd like to walk us round through this compound. Remember last month when I did the other video, I showed how they were cleaning the same places. The walls were all full with spiral gyra, and the floor, the ground was dirty, grass, the place had been abandoned for a while. So we brought this back to life and we fixed it up, and now we can see that YouCEF has an office. Moving forward, I want to show you what we have around here. Youth Capacity Enhancement Foundation, being a new organization owned by youths of this nation, particularly two youths of this nation, me talking, being one of the CEO, and my other partner who is not around is another member of the board of CEOs. Ladies and gentlemen, we started this program with little or nothing. The love we have for the youths of this great nation and the love we have to see things returning to normal, youths getting actively involved in the running of the community, the society, youths being self-employed, because as of now employment in the country is a big problem, and to go a long way to keep down the effects of this crisis that has befallen this English part of the country. I would say yourself, it's a wonderful place for all of the youths of Cameroon. As you can see, we tried fixing the environment. We have a lot of space. We have a lot of space to carry so much activities. This is just an outdoor lobby. And as you can see, our working tools, you know, we had to renovate this building. We lived here for a while and did the renovations, and now generally training has properly started. This section deals with this is the section dealing with audiovisual production. For example, in here, this building, we have our audio studio, and we have uh, we have the audio studio, which is still a production center and a training lab, and its parlor being in here, it's going to be the training center, the main training center for audiovisual production. Ladies and gentlemen, looking at yourself, we have gone a long way to secure this environment, and all we hope is the youths make wonderful use of it. We hope that within the next 1, 2, 3 years, our impact should be widely felt, as the range of activities we engage ourselves in calls for active and endless efforts to see that we achieve this goal. As we can see here, it's a wonderful place. It's a wonderful place, a good compound, and I think I like the view. Youth Capacity Enhancement Foundation, YouCEF Boyer, dealing with youth vocational free youth vocational training in certain disciplines: computer hardware, computer software, arts and craft, culture, entrepreneurship, movie theater act, journalism, media, and a lot more. Ladies and gentlemen, I would walk us through a little bit. Let's take a walk inside and see what YouCEF has prepared for the youths of this great nation. But remember, we are just starting. We are just starting, and we do not have the funds to push through at a better level. We do not have even a sponsor to push through. But I believe with the little resources we have and the plans we have for the youths of this nation, together we all shall achieve. We shall achieve that simple goal, which is making the youths actively involved in the nation building process, curbing out unemployment, and 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 playing an active role in the social life of the youths of this nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take a walk in the training centers.